Hello and welcome to another video. It's good to see you. Today we're going to the River of Light Festival in Liverpool. Do a little bit of street photography. Let's get into it. So on the way to Liverpool I've come through Alderley Edge and well, I'll show you in a sec, but there's an absolute load of photographers. I think they're shooting some of the nice cars that may be going past in this area. Let's go find out. It's just gone nice and sunny too. So apparently we are waiting for a Carrera GT to come on. Let's have a look. All them guys there. A couple of guys here. There's also some photographers around the corner. Let's see what happens. For. These guys are happy. Are you happy with that?
Just a little.
Well, that's a bit of unexpected fun. Onwards. Welcome to Liverpool. It is still sun up for another half an hour, as you can see. But this gives us a chance to have a little look around. It's a lovely day, so should get some good shots. Let's go. Halloween Saturday night 2021 and well, just had a lovely sunset. Hopefully some of them pictures have come out and you've seen them, but now it's time for the lights to take over. Enjoyed a little trip around Liverpool with a little stop off at Alderley Edge. I think for now I'm going to call it. The River of Light Festival is on till the 7th of November. It's worth a try if you can get up here, have a look around. Always something to see, and even just to see the city of Liverpool. It is a stunning city. So without further ado, please subscribe, hit that like button and comment below to see anything you want to see in the future.